Parquet information. Parquet is a type of flooring that is made up of small wooden pieces or tiles that are arranged in a geometric pattern. These tiles are typically made from hardwoods like oak, maple, and cherry, but can also be made from softer woods like pine or spruce. The word parquet comes from the French word parquet, which means a small enclosed space. The style of flooring became popular in France in the 17th century, where it was used in royal palaces and grand estates. Today, parquet flooring is still popular in homes and commercial spaces around the world. Parquet flooring can be installed in a variety of patterns, including herringbone, chevron, basket weave, and brickwork. The tiles are usually glued down to a subfloor and sanded and finished to create a smooth, even surface. The finished product is a beautiful and durable flooring option that can last for decades with proper care. One of the benefits of parquet flooring is that it can be sanded and refinished multiple times, allowing it to be restored to its original beauty even after years of use. Additionally, parquet flooring is easy to clean and maintain, making it a great option for high-traffic areas. However, one thing to consider with parquet flooring is that it can be more expensive than other types of flooring. The cost of installation and materials can vary depending on the type of wood used, the size of the tiles, and the complexity of the pattern. Additionally, parquet flooring may not be suitable for areas with high moisture or humidity, as it can warp or buckle over time.